Since 1994, Maxiforce is serving the needs of the agricultural, construction, industrial, power generation, and marine industries with the highest quality aftermarket diesel engine parts. We offer parts as a complete solution to repair, rebuild, and remanufacture the engines we list. We include the most complete overhaul, out-of-frame and in-frame kits on the market, plus a wide range of individual components, all easily searchable through our website. Maxiforce is the global leader in small earth-moving machinery and small diesel power units. We have a presence in over 90 countries and 3 distribution centers in the U.S. We are an ISO 9001 certified company, providing you with the reliability you expect. It is our mission to provide quality, immediate shipping and technical support while offering competitive prices. These are the values that encompass Maxiforce.